Welcome to Inside Concept Pro. How to use Easy PTZ Control. With the new range of UHD IP recorders, the alternate control method is called Easy PTZ, and it can be accessed in the following way. With your camera either in full screen mode or multiplex mode, if you right-click on the camera image you want to control, a menu will appear. Navigate to PTZ Control and select Easy Mode. A small dashboard will appear in the corner of the monitor, which you can drag around the screen to suit your viewing needs. This menu will allow the operation of the dome by clicking on the pan and tilt icons and the zoom in and out icons. You can also send it to pre-programmed presets and send it on a pre-programmed tour or scan. If you don't want to use the dashboard, you can use the drag and click method by right-clicking on the live image and an arrow will appear. You can drag this arrow in the direction you want the camera to pan or tilt to. To zoom the camera in, move the scroll wheel of the mouse away from you. To zoom back out, scroll it towards you. And to remove the dashboards, select Close.